Here are 5 common mistakes that business owners in the pavement industry commonly make. One is they go out and try to crack seal over top of cracks that are filled with dirt. That's exactly like putting a Band-Aid on top of Vaseline. It does not last. It's imperative that you clean out the cracks 1/2 inch deep, and you want to make sure that it's free from all dirt, debris, and vegetation, so that when you put down your rubberized hot pour crack sealer, it actually bonds to the sidewalls, creating a watertight seal, preventing water from getting in, eroding the foundation, and leading to potholes. Second is too wide, too deep. So many business owners get out there and they start crack sealing cracks that are just way wider than 1/2 inch, and the crack sealer ends up settling inside the crack. In those scenarios, you either want to use a top patch material or a mastic to seal the cracks that are beyond that width. If you do need to use your hot pour rubberized crack sealer in cracks that are beyond 1/2 inch wide, you may need to do several passes over top with your push melter applicator to bring it up to that surface, preventing water from settling in the crack. The third common mistake is people don't end up putting enough crack sealer in the horseshoe-shaped scraper that follows the contour of the asphalt. They literally are trickling the crack sealer out, and it takes forever to crack seal your projects. Remember, you want to maximize your time that leads to more profits for your business. So filling up the shoe to about 3/4 and moving quickly is key, which brings us to number 4. You're moving too slow. Listen, crack sealer is designed to go in the cracks, yes, but if you end up doing all of your crack sealing projects so delicately and you take your time and it ends up taking 3 times the amount of time to do your project, it means that you're not able to get as much done. Our goal is to allow you to make the most out of your time when you're crack sealing. So don't be so delicate and fragile. Get out there and seal those cracks. The 5th mistake, such an important one, I see contractors going out there and crack sealing a bunch of alligator cracks. It ends up looking like a spider web on the parking lot, and that's not what you want. You want to be using the right solutions, the right fixes for the right problems. And so when you get into alligator cracks, do not use hot pour crack sealer for those areas. You want to use a product like Gator Patch, or even better, Top Patch, that creates more of a permanent repair. You can also then move into infrared patching. You invest into an infrared machine, heat up the asphalt surface, you go ahead and rake that surface nice and level, and you compact it for a permanent patch repair. Crack sealing jobs are some of the most common repairs that we do on pavement. I hope that these 5 common mistakes that people make when they're going to do crack sealing helps you and saves you the time and the energy from not making those same mistakes.